Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to log into Reka AI step by step using the official website, as you can log in with Google or with your email address. So let's get started. First, open any web browser on your mobile phone or PC. Now within the search bar, tap Reka.ai and press enter. Now you will be redirected to the official Reka website. On the Reka AI homepage, look for the Try Reka option. Tap or click on it. You will be redirected to the login page. Here you will see two login options. Continue with Google and continue with email address. If you have signed up with Google, tap continue with Google. If you have signed up using an email address, enter your registered email address. Once entered, tap continue and make sure to enter your valid passport. After entering the passport, tap continue, where you will be logged in and direct to the dashboard. And that's how you can easily log into Reka AI using Google or your email address. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.